Let's make the easiest croissants ever. No folding, no machines, just buttery goodness with a pistachio twist. Mix your ingredients in egg, sugar, yeast, milk, and bread flour. Knead in the butter until the dough is smooth. Roll it into a ball and let it rest for 15 minutes, just enough time to get excited about your croissants. Next, roll it out into a circle. Spread more butter on top and freeze it for 30 minutes. Now, roll it out again into a bigger circle. But before you assemble, add a dollop of pistachio cream on each piece for that extra flavor kick. Assemble each piece into a croissant shape. Then let them rest for 2 to 3 hours to rise and get all puffy. Bake at 180 deg for 10 minutes, then at 200 deg for 6 minutes. And there you go. You have perfect croissants.